So thank you so much. Finally, we want to compare the results from all the analysis we've done using the multivariate approach on our IV series. So far, we've done OLS, we've done IV. I've used two-state least squares using the reg command. I've used the two-state least squares using IV reg and also IV regress. So let us go ahead to compare these results to see whether they differ or they are the same. So because I've been saving my results, all I need to do is to execute this code using Outrage 2, and I'm going to replace whatever is in the memory, okay? I have highlighted and execute. So click on this and you get your result. So this is the results from the various multivariate analysis that I have engaged using different approaches. So let's go to PowerPoint to wrap this up. So here we can see that the Edu coefficient is consistent across IV techniques. You can see IV 0.07, 0.07, 0.07. Same coefficient, but we can see that using IV regress, the significance improved from 10. You can see from 10 to 5, okay? And the OLS gave us the highest significance at 1% level. So if we look at EduCards, when we engaged the two-state least squares using a piecemeal approach, EduCards is significant at the 1% level. You can see here the predictive value, significant at the 1% level. So overall, we can see here how we have used instrumental variables to control for endogeneity of education. You can also see that comparing OLS R squared and those using IV estimates, the OLS R squared is quite higher than the IV estimates, okay? Quite higher. The only difference that we have here is for the reduced equation, the reduced model. The R squared is the highest at 0.212. But overall, OLS shows to have higher R squared compared to IV models. So thank you so much for staying with me. These are textbooks that you can use to strengthen your understanding. And if you have textbooks beyond these ones, you can engage them. If you want to cite any of my papers where I've used IV techniques, here you have papers on time series panel data. They are all multivariate models. You can use them and cite me in your work. I appreciate you for staying with me throughout this video series on instrumental variables using cross-sectional data. You can also use this on time series and panel. I will be creating videos for time series and panel, but I will only upload those videos to Teachable platform, okay? So if you're on my Teachable platform, you are going to benefit from time series analysis and panel data using instrumental variables. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.